Stop right there. If you want to sound like a native English speaker and finally stop making embarrassing mistakes, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Unlock English Podcast, where we unlock the secrets to flawless English. Today, I'm revealing the 5 phrases you're probably saying wrong. And trust me, native speakers notice these mistakes, and it's holding you back. Fix these now and watch your English confidence skyrocket. Don't blink, because this could change the way you speak forever. Let's start with a phrase you probably say every day. I am agree. Sounds familiar? Many learners add am or is before agree, but that's incorrect. The right way is simply I agree. No extra verb needed. Native speakers find it I am agree awkward because agree doesn't need to be before it. It's a small change, but it makes a huge difference. Think about how often you say, I agree. Are you adding extra words? Don't worry. You're about to fix it for good. Ready for the next phrase? Let's go. The second phrase that trips up many learners is, can you borrow me? You might hear this a lot, but it's actually wrong. When you want to use something temporarily, say, can you lend me? You lend something to someone, and you borrow something from someone. So if you want to use your friend's pen, say, can you lend me a pen? Not, borrow me a pen. Native speakers notice this mistake because it flips the meaning. Here's a quick tip. If you're asking for something, use lend. If you're taking something, use borrow. For example, I borrowed a book from the library. Or, can you lend me your charger? Simple, right? Fixing this will make your English clearer. Ready for phrase 3? Let's keep going. The third phrase that causes confusion is, I have 25 years, when talking about age. Many learners translate this directly from their language, but in English we say, I am 25 years old, or simply, I'm 25. Saying I have 25 years sounds strange because English uses to be for age, not to have. This mistake is common, but easy to fix. Just remember, when talking about age, use am or is plus the number and years old. For example, she is 30 years old, or they are 18 years old. You can shorten it to she's 30, or they're 18 in casual talk. Imagine introducing yourself and saying, I have 25 years. The listener might smile politely, but think, that's not right. Changing this small phrase will make your introduction smooth and natural. Ready for phrase 4? Let's dive in. The fourth phrase many learners get wrong is, he very likes it, or she very loves it. This is a classic mistake where learners try to add emphasis but use the wrong word order. In English, to emphasize how much someone likes something, don't put very before the verb. Instead, say, he likes it very much, or she loves it a lot. Very modifies adjectives or adverbs, but not verbs like or love. So he very likes it sounds unnatural. The correct way is to place very much after the verb, or use a lot or so much to express strong feelings. For example, instead of I very like this movie, say I like this movie very much, or I really like this movie. These small changes make your English sound polished and natural. Imagine telling a friend, I very like this song, and they might pause, thinking you're still learning. But if you say, I like this song a lot, it sounds fluent and confident. Ready for the last phrase? Let's finish strong. The fifth and final phrase many learners say wrong is I am boring, when they mean I am bored. This is a common mistake because boring and bored look similar but mean different things. Boring describes something that causes boredom, while bored describes how you feel. For example, if a movie is dull, say, the movie is boring. If you feel uninterested, say, I am bored. Saying I am boring means you're dull or uninteresting, which you don't want to say. This mistake can lead to funny or confusing situations. Imagine telling friends, I am boring, when you mean you're tired of waiting. They might think you're insulting yourself. So remember, use boring to describe things and bored to describe feelings. Now that you know these 5 phrases, you're ahead of many learners. Fixing these small mistakes will make your English sound natural and clear. But don't stop here. Practice these phrases daily, and you'll see a big difference. Let's quickly review the 5 phrases you need to stop saying wrong. Say, I agree, not I am agree. Use can you lend me instead of can you borrow me. Say I am 25 years old, not I have 25 years. Say he likes it very much, not he very likes it. Use I am bored when you feel uninterested, not I am boring. Mastering these will boost your confidence and help you sound like a native speaker. Remember, small changes make a big difference. Here's a bonus tip. When you learn new phrases, use them in real conversations as soon as possible. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step closer to fluency. If you want to sound even more natural, listen carefully to native speakers, watch movies, and notice how they use these phrases. You'll start seeing patterns that textbooks don't always teach. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.